Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset any Android phone in just 1 minute. Okay, so let's get started. So for this, first you need to open settings. Okay, so here you will see about phone. Click on it and scroll down a little bit, and here you will see the option factory reset. You can access this option from here, or you can come back and search for reset or factory reset. And here you will also see the option factory reset. You can choose either any of them. Okay, so I will click on factory reset. So it is saying ki if you do factory reset or go for factory reset, then all your contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backup data, and data on SD card, everything will be erased. Okay, so if you want to go for a factory reset, then I will recommend you to first take backups of all these data and then go for this factory reset. Okay, so for my case, I have already taken backup of all my data in this phone. So now I'll click on erase all data. So now I need to enter the confirmation key or my password. Now click on next. So it is saying ki first take backup of your data. So you can either go for backup or you can go for factory reset. I will go for factory reset. And it is saying ki it will be automatically factory reset in 2. Now you can see it has gone into factory reset mode, and it will take some time to fully reboot this phone. And when the process will complete, you will get to see the phone as brand new when you just bought it. Okay, so here you can see, and the logo of the phone has just emerged. So this is how you factory reset your Android mobile phone, any Android mobile phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.